Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a recipe for stewed peas and dumpling. This one I had it in Grenada and I had to recreate it and share it with you guys. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to make this recipe we're going to start by adding some oil into a heavy bottom pot. You want your heat to be on a medium for this. And now I'm going to go in with some chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers. And we're just going to allow this to saute and soften in here a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with some minced garlic and some chopped bell peppers. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt and mix that in. Just allow this to cook for about a minute. Now in goes my soaked peas. Now you can use canned peas for this if you wanted to. And I'm just going to mix that in. To this, I'm going to go in with some Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning. You guys know that I really love this seasoning. It does add so much more flavor. And I'm going in with some uku powder or anatto. If you didn't have this, you can use some tomato paste or some ketchup if you like. And I'm just going to mix that in. Let it cook down for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with some water. You can use chicken stock if you wanted to, but I'm trying to keep this vegetarian, so I'm not gonna add in any chicken stock. To this I'm gonna go in with 2 chopped tomatoes and some chopped scallions or green onions, or sife as we call it in Trinidad. And I'm also going in with some black pepper. I'm just gonna give this a mix, and we need this to come up to a simmer. This is going to simmer until those peas are nice and tender before we can move along with the recipe. Okay, so once the peas starts to get tender, they're splitting, and that's what you want. You want a really nice tender peas. We're going to go in with some coconut milk. And mix that in. Now we're going to allow this to come back up to a simmer, and in the meantime let's prepare our dumplings that's going to go into this. So to make these dumplings I have flour here, all-purpose flour, and I'm going in with some salt. Now you can add some coconut milk to knead this if you wanted to, but today I'm using just regular water. Mix to distribute the salt, and then we're going to go in with enough water to create a very firm dough. Now different flour calls for different amounts of water, so don't go adding all your water at once. Add a little at a time, and using your fingertips bring it together, and you want to squeeze to make sure that the flour absorbs the water. If you don't do that, you're going to end up with soft dough. So I put in about I would say about 1/4 cup of water, and that was just enough for me. So I'm just gonna bring this together. If there's any dry flour, you just pull it to the side and just add a little bit of water and knead that in. You just want to do a rough knead, nothing too much, just like this. And let's move over to the stove. So guys, to make these dumplings, we're going to start by breaking off a little piece of dough, and then we're going to roll it between our palm to create an almond shape basically, and this we're going to drop it into our peas. So just roll and drop. Now you can cut these into square if you like, but it's made by rolling the dumplings. So I wanted to try to at least keep that shape. So guys, after the dumplings go in, this is going to continue to cook for about 10 minutes, and that time the dumplings will be fully cooked, and then this will be ready to be served. All we'll have to do is taste and adjust our salt and enjoy. So once it's done, I'll plate it and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
So guys, remember with this recipe you can use any type of peas or beans that you like. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Make it, let me know if you like it. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.